What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today, me and my brother gonna go cruise up through Big Bear, try and drag some knee. It's a beautiful day in Southern California, sunny and breezy. Yeah. So yeah, really want to kind of feel this bike out, and I know it's really nimble and, you know, corners like a boss, but I haven't really taken it down any like too hardcore of you know, bobbing and weaving turns. So it's a nice day. We haven't actually been up there in a long time, so I don't think we're gonna go all the way up. We'll kind of see how we feel, but we're just gonna get nasty with it, you know what I mean? Buck nasty with it. Got my brother on the R6. He's gonna try and drag some knee too. Probably not too much knee because he's not used to the bike just yet. He's barely ridden it, so. But yeah, it should be a good time. I hope you guys enjoy it because I know we're going to. And if you don't, well, then fuck you. Just kidding. I love you. But yeah, we're gonna try and have a little bit of fun, and we'll see what happens. And the fun has ended. I just want to drag knee, bro. Man, bug just splattered on my newly cleaned windscreen. Ooh, another one. Saw it. Anyways, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're staying safe out there, having fun doing what you're doing. If you're riding, hope you're riding safe, having a good old time. I would be having a good time, but these vehicles be slow as fuck.
One eternity later.
Fuck this shit. Car coming. I'm behind you. Man, I hate that I can't rev this bike high. It makes it so hard to ride this kind of ride, you know? Yep. I'm like constantly like watching my rev range and stuff because I don't want to get too high up there until I break it in. Yep. And that R6 pulls. Way too high up in the rev range. I just don't like looking away when we're going around cars like that. I hit it like 100 miles an hour. Yeah. Ooh, it's getting windy. Oh, it's so windy. Huh? Oh, pull over? Oh yeah, we can. Watch out, gravel. That snow looks sick. $7,000 feet. Saw, dude. record most of it because damn GoPros are dying. But we got some of it. My brother was still able to record a bit on his. He had more juice than I did. But yeah, we stopped at this little store over here and was chatting with a couple of guys for a while. It was pretty cool. But we're on our way back down now. Alright guys, well I have no idea when this camera is gonna die, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll that outro just in case. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know we had a good old time. If you guys liked it, do us a favor and smash that like button. And you know the drill. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the stupid little bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a video. And until next time, peace. Yeah. Yep. Oh my god, that shit popped so fucking loud right in my ears. Oh. Oh, so windy. I had to give him the fingers. He was nice enough to let us go around. I gave him the choo, even though it was windy. It's clear. Go for it. Go, 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 go. Get over there.